Okay.
Yes, I can explain a little about the development of Esteem application that are around in the community, especially Aceh security. That let's promote after the obsession of the Esteem. I see many community answer of Steam icon that also Esteem application option me offer the open of our that account. I also have time to consult with some of the answer of Steam account. I am asking what you are in Steam application. They give some result. Out of them, they are going the result to on the Steam application because the feature to make the post is very easy. The in addition to assign the Esteem application, they get an automatic output from the onward of Esteem application program such as Good Karma, Serdar, Bitcoiner, Mesa, and others. Thank you.